Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's that time of year again. Going to the Annapolis Boat Show, 2024-2025 Annapolis Boat Show. As usual, I'll be posting prices when I can, and we'll be doing some reviews on boats, see what's new.
Yeah, he was generous.
Yeah, I just need to register one. What's your
Well, I think he feels like he paid for what he got.
All right, here's the 23, the 231 Heritage, dual screens again. That feels pretty good. Looks like you got tilt steering, same nice little waterproof switch panel, digital shift, anchor windlass. I think the 25 probably had that too. Oh, marine head. Oh, check this out. Okay, got a lot more wiring going on here. And a forward table, marine head. So that must be where the table goes in that mount. Yeah. All friction hinges. Good hardware. Some storage in there, not much, but doable for 23 foot. Okay, I think, let's see here. I don't want to look at that. I think that's part of the inside of the console. Live well. I think it's a ski pole. Oh wow. Look at this access, great access to all your stuff back here. Looks good. Great access there. I like this door. It's on dual rams. And that's the 231. Rod holders. That's the color of the boat. Got a nice little box up there, your VHF, your speakers. The price on this is $131. Some change.
And I can see your concern about the freeboard. Yeah. That's something you're going to have to do.
All right, here's the 24. This is the Cobia 240cc twin 150s with this. Looks pretty decent. 24 foot. Let's check it out. Check this out. Good visibility here. Fair visibility. Not sure I'm liking this console. Digital shift. Here's your batteries. Got 3 batteries. Wiring doesn't look too bad. Rear bench seat. Live well. Live well looks good. Look. No friction hinges on this lid. That means it's going to slam down. Bang. Right there. All right, back on the leaning post. Drawer. Plenty of good storage here. I like it. It's all lockable. All right. Very shallow fish box, but it's long. Looks like it's about 4.5 feet long. Get some mahi in there, maybe a tuna. 24 foot, 240. Big bow, cushions. Let's see here. This must also be. I'm not going to open it all the way up. Step down, nice and clean. Got the mirror, got your switches in here, or breakers. Got your breakers. Fresh water, porta pot. Decent, not too bad. Looks like a freshwater tank there. It's not really finished. Finished. Let's see here. Nice and deep. Life jacket storage. Looks like it drains overboard. Looks good. Check this out. So, yeah, they must swing backs there. Loads of room back here. Not bad. Rod holders. Top, dark blue hull, because it's underside here. Lighting, handholds up here. This must be some kind of a powder coating here. What about all this? Yeah, okay. Console is really high. I'm 5'9". I'm 5'9". But look, can't really. I guess you could hold on there. There's not really a grab. I guess you could hold on there. Fishing rod slap you in the head. Oh look, there's storage up here too, or access to your wiring for your speakers. That's it, man. That's the Cobia 240. Cobia 240 at 159.
Okay.
All right, here's the Key West. It's a 23 foot. 109. It's got the Yamaha 300 on it. Boarding ladder. Nice little workstation here. The sink. Yeah. There's nothing there, okay, because you got a sink there. Alright, so storage there. Nice rod holders. Gray hull, gray underside. Outrigger mounting plates. Got your Garmin. Electronic shift. Fold down seating. It's a nice leaning post here. More storage. Lighting. But more storage, more lighting, fresh water. Yeah, the 23 is much more of a boat than the 21. All right, cool. Nice box. Looks like you can put a bucket there. Let's see here if I can. More storage under there. Cup holders. And this is the Key West 23. Nice top. Under gunnel rod storage. here. Plenty of room back here. Some nice room and seating. Okay, I'm going to do a voiceover because there was some music playing and I don't want to get a copyright strike. This is the Contender 24 Sport. This is a 2024 leftover, basically, and they have it marked down to $135,000. This might even be the same boat that I looked at a year ago. This is located at Bosun's Marine on the eastern shore of Maryland over in Greasonville. It's got rod holders there, the vertical ones on the side of the console. This is a big fish box up here, or you could use it for dry storage. It's actually pretty nice. Nicely finished, gasketed, and there's also storage up here in the bow. That's the anchor locker there, and you got storage left and right underneath the seating, dry storage. And this is like a cooler here with cup holders. Pretty nice setup, really. Nice thick tubing on your T-top, and that's the color of the hull, I believe, there underneath the T-top there. Console door, everything's fit and finish is really good. Wiring's perfect. Nice little panel. Your head unit for your stereo. Nice switch panel, everything within reach. This is the access to the bilge. Nice sized door. You can get down in there, and all your equipment, all your pumps, everything else down there, nice and clean. Live well lid there. No friction hinges. I don't know why Contender doesn't put friction hinges on their live well lids. Once again, nice layout. And the aft fish boxes, one on each side, decent size. You can get some tuna in there, some mahi. Goes up pretty far, so definitely adequate. I'm going to have more videos showcasing some of the boats here at the Annapolis Boat Show, so please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll know when I post a new video. Thanks.